Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your email on PS4. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes. First, you will need to access your PlayStation Network account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. From there, you will find the option to update your sign-in ID, which is linked to your email address. It's a simple, three-step process to get started. Once you have selected the option to change your sign-in ID, you will be prompted to enter your new email address. Please type this new address very carefully to avoid any errors. You will then need to re-enter the email address to confirm it. After confirming, PlayStation will send a verification email to the new address you provided. This email is crucial for completing the change, so ensure you have access to that inbox. The next step involves checking your new email inbox for a message from PlayStation. This email will contain a unique verification link. You must click this link to finalize the change of your sign-in ID. Once you click the link, your PlayStation Network account will be officially updated with your new email address. This ensures the security and integrity of your account, making sure only you can make such changes. It is vital to ensure you have continuous access to the new email account you use, as it will be your primary sign-in ID. Always remember this new ID for all future logins to your PlayStation Network. Furthermore, maintaining a strong, unique password for your account is paramount for security. Consider using a password manager to help keep your credentials safe and secure across all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.